Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching it. Today I'm going to be doing a glossy box and a Look Fantastic video today. Usually I don't put them together, but then sometimes I do, but they've been having some shipping issues, especially Look Fantastic, because Look Fantastic does come from the UK, and I mean I was even going to get their beauty chest, but they had shipping issues, and then by the time I could get mine, it was sold out, so that's kind of a bummer, but it's okay. But we're gonna go ahead and go through the glossy box products first, and then Look Fantastic. I really like Look Fantastic. If you guys don't know, it's not just a subscription box, it's actually a website, like the #1 retail for beauty. Lots of UK products on there. It's the #1 UK place to buy beauty. It's kind of like Sephora and Ulta, but for the UK, because they don't have that over there. If you guys just didn't know, because a lot of people don't know that. But anyways, if you guys are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if you're already watching. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So yeah, both of these are October, so I guess it wasn't too long ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and do glossy box. Always beautifully packaged. So October's theme was the magical masquerade. Ooh, and there's some good products in here. Okay, honestly, if you're not subscribed to Glossybox yet, what are you doing? Along with Look Fantastic, I'll have it linked below. We have a coupon code here for Judith Liber, and this little code. Okay. So the first thing we have in here is from Judith Liber, I think is how you say it. This is travel size. It's a discovery set for fragrances, and this little set here is worth $12. Ooh, I just popped one out. So, oh man. So we have a zest, a floral, and a gourmand flavor here. I'm not gonna smell them because I did already smell a perfume in a past glossy box video that I just filmed, but how great is this? Love it so much. It says customize your signature scent with this discovery set from Judith's. More is more perfume, an innovative way to experience fragrance. You can make your next favorite aroma as flavorful, zesty, or as floral as you like for every day of the week and any occasion. So you can mix and match and make like your own custom scent, which I think is great. And then we have here from Ico London a Black Magic liquid eyeliner plus wide lash. Waterproof, lash enhancing precision brush in the shade Carbon Black. This is a travel size worth $12, and I've had a bunch of Ico products before, and they're all really, really good. Then we have a little mask here, which is a single. This is worth $4. This is from the brand Pop Band. It's a pop mask in Starry Eyes. So if you're having trouble getting your beauty sleep or just want to feel extra relaxed, Pop Mask could be the perfect solution. Made with non-woven cotton and naturally occurring ingredients, this fragrance-free Starry Mask will provide warm, soothing relaxation, which sounds really nice right now because it's cold outside. Then we have this product here from Hava. This is the Deluxe Mini worth $5. It's a superfood kale and turmeric body lotion. This light yet ultra hydrating body lotion is powered with superfoods, kale, and turmeric. Known for their natural antioxidants, they help protect from premature signs of aging so your skin will feel smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. Then we have here from One Kind, a Deluxe Mini Dream Cream and Nighttime Moisturizer. This little guy is $12, full size 38. So it says this supercharged night cream gel. This supercharged night cream gets you up and glowing by the AM. Rich in squalane and rosehip oils, it locks in moisture and antioxidants to combat pesky signs of aging, while barley seed and chamomile extracts soothe away irritation from the day. So that's a great product to have. And then lastly from Josephine, the Glamorously Healthy full-sized lip slash power the bold matte liquid lipstick. Oh, this is exciting. This is $30 and it looks to be a gorgeous like red for the holiday. Ooh, and it is. Look at that, you guys. That red right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm excited about that one for sure. Okay, so that's everything from Glossybox. Now for Look Fantastic, which this one is quite heavy. I am excited to see what's in here. Then we have our really thick book here. Okay, so let's find this product first. So this is from Dr. Botanicals. This is the Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. So it's an ultra restorative mask that helps protect against the effects of external aggressors by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost powered by a potent botanical ingredient. The creamy textured mask helps to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst brightening your complexion. That's a good description. Plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, please. Sign me up. Put me on the list. Oh, and then we have a hair tie scrunchie. So this is from the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company. There's 2 in here and they're scrunchies. If you guys don't know, I love scrunchies. These are gonna be so cute for like, you know, the springtime. Oh yeah. I am gonna have those on my wrists during the springtime. I'm very excited about that. Yay. Okay, next up, this is from Rituals, which is a great brand. So this is a loving body cream. So it's the quest for smoother looking skin just became that a little bit easier. The buttery smooth formula boasts absorption and helps to provide the illusion of more supple airbrush complexion. Love that. This is a great brand. I love seeing that in my boxes. Ooh, Philip Kingsley. So this is a bond builder, split end remedy. This is something I need. So this is the perfect remedy for your split ends, shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV rays. The lightweight formula revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. I need that. Then we have from Philorga. We've got this brand a lot. So Oxygen Glow Creme. Okay. This magical moisturizing face cream delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. Used over a period of time, the long-term effects of this cream can enhance the overall appearance of your skin. Great. And then lastly, we have this product here from E-Cooking, maybe? E-Cooking. Cleansing Gel. Gentle Cleansing. E-Cooking. Yep, E-Cooking is the brand. E-Cooking. Okay. This powerful formula that is kind to skin helps to restore moisture to your epidermis, combining a smooth mixture of aloe vera and vitamin E. This gel cleanser cleanses your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. I'm going to definitely give this a try. E-Cooking. Okay, so that is everything that came in the October one. Of course, you can't purchase this anymore, but stay tuned for November, you guys. It's already out. You can get it now. I'll have it also linked below, discount code and all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!